I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what you need: the PDF file and any signature image or ID. Once done, open the document in a trusted fill-in sign app or browser tool and navigate straight to the form tools. Make sure form fields are recognized. If not, switch to manual text entry. You'll want the toolbar visible so you can add text, checkboxes, and a signature block. This first push gets you into editing mode quickly so you can act without delay. Now populate the document. Click recognized fields for instant entry or use the text tool for static areas. Type names, dates, and amounts precisely. Once typed, confirm formatting and alignment so values don't overflow. For checkboxes and radio choices, use the provided widgets or place small symbols manually. When ready to sign, choose an image, typed signature, or draw one with a mouse or touchscreen. Then place and resize it to match the signature. Finish by saving a final, flattened copy so signatures and entries can't be altered. Export as PDF/ or apply a password if required. Once saved, review the entire file at 100% zoom to confirm no fields are cut off and that font's rendered correctly. If something goes wrong, say the signature didn't embed, reopen the editor, remove the old signature, and re-import the image or switch to the draw or type sign option. Always keep an editable backup until recipients confirm receipt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.